name is Nicole Fiore, and I roller skate. You know the old school roller skates, 2 in front, 2 in back? Yeah, those ones. I'm gonna be teaching you how to roll and entertaining you along the way. Come roll with me. Today we are going to learn something that I have been getting requests about forever, and it is called a loop. It is not the loop that you jump, it is the loop that you roll. While there are many ways of doing a loop, we are going to talk about the type of loop that will get you credit in your footwork if you choose to put that in your footwork. But for those of you who don't know what a loop is, it's basically drawing a circle with your roller skate. So if you attach chalk to your skate, you would literally draw a circle with your skate and it loops. Therefore, it is called a loop. I am going to demonstrate my left outer forward loop because in all honesty, it is my best. We learned last week how to do a left outer forward upright, and it is exactly like that in the beginning. So you go on a left outer forward edge, so you roll forward on your left outer edge. There is something on my wheel, a pebble. Tight. So you roll on a left outer forward edge. My arms are in an L to the left. So my right arm is in front of me, my left arm is to my left side, and you roll. Now, in order to tighten your left outer forward edge and make it into that beginning of the loop, you want your right free leg to be out at a diagonal, and you want to be bending your left knee to the left and really pressing that left edge. Now your free leg, you don't want your hip open like this because you are going this way to your left. So you want your right hip to be closed, meaning your right free leg starts to come around. You don't want it fully to the side, but at a nice diagonal is best. So you want to be forcing that, you want to be forcing that around. Do not stiffen up. I was just trying to demonstrate the free leg, but I wasn't paying attention to my skating leg. Stay bent on that left knee. That was scary. Body position on a loop. You don't want to be tilting super far forward. If you do tilt forward just a bit, that is okay. I knew this was gonna happen. I shouldn't have kept a jacket on, but I was cold. Keep your lower back tight and engaged right here. So keep that tight. Even if you are pitching forward a little bit, you don't want to let that relax at all because you will end up falling. So keep that tight that entire time. Now, one moment please. Okay. You want to keep your left shoulder coming around. Just like in the left outer forward upright from last week, you want to keep your left shoulder coming around until you are exiting the loop. I'm going to show you some clips of me at the rink. Keep that left shoulder coming around, and then when you are ready to exit, there are many ways to do this. This is simply the way I prefer to do it. When you are about to exit the loop, you want to check your arms the opposite way when you swing your right foot forward. So your exit should be your right foot coming forward, still on that outside edge, and checking your arms so that your left arm is now in front, your right arm is now to the side. So your arms go opposite when you exit the circle. Now, exiting the circle and passing your leg in front. In order to do this, you want to get from this position, your beginning and your middle of the loop position. You don't want it to whip around like this. You want your free leg to slide through. Now, if you watch my hips closely, I just sit. I just move my free leg forward. You do not want to go like that. So basically, you keep your lower back engaged the entire time, beginning to exit. You keep your left shoulder coming around until you are ready to exit. Your head could be looking down if you are following a line, if you are skating loops. There are typically circles at your roller skating rink. That's what those are for. Circles are for figures. The little loops or the little circles are for loops. So you want to be tracing that circle. Obviously, in order to trace it perfectly, you need to be looking at it. When you are looking at it, make sure you are looking down past your nose. You're not tilting like this. But keep your eye on that line if there is a line. If you are not following a line and you're doing this anywhere else in your footwork, for fun, whatever, you do want to keep your head up. So keep it rotating during the loop and then stop it wherever you're going to aim your free leg when you exit. You'll notice a lot of times I bring my free leg in. This is just a bad habit I've created, but I believe in one of my free dance routines I did this. And I lost my balance a lot trying to do it the real way. I think I wasn't bringing my shoulder around enough and my free leg along with it. So I started to go into it and then halfway through bend. This creates a problem because now in the rules, in order to get credit for your loop in footwork, it has to be a nice, continuous loop. You can't really have it go little and then like a spin. You won't get credit for it. So technically the way I do it in like footwork, I probably wouldn't get credit for it. My bad. But that's if you are competing under the new world skate rules. If you're a skater and you're just skating, ignore all that. Do whatever you want. So I do, for fun, extend my free leg and then bring it up and kind of kick it through. I think it's cuter sometimes. Somehow it's cuter. Anyway, practice that. Send me some videos, please, of you guys doing your different loops. There are all sorts of loops. I've only demonstrated the left outer forward. You can copy this into a right outer forward. Everything I said applies. It's just on your right leg now. You can do backward loops. That is a little harder. I may get into that because that is in relation to the right outer back upright. Here's a little key. The left outer forward loop is easiest for most skaters going forward because we're typically spinning this way. The right outer back, same thing. Right outer back is the easiest because we are used to spinning to our left. The right outer forward and the left outer back are very foreign for us. Inner edges, same thing. The right inner forward is easy. The left inner back is easy. The opposite skating direction ones, so to the right, are very difficult for a lot of skaters. If you are a dancer and you're used to traveling to your right, please send me a message. I would love to hear how this is going for you. If you are trying the opposite for you, traveling to the left. Anyway, please send me videos. Let me know how you guys are doing. You guys have asked me for a loop tutorial a lot. So I'm happy I finally am giving you kind of baby steps into that with the spins and now the loops. So if you want more of your loops, let me know. And I'll see you guys soon. Keep practicing, even in your small spaces. Well, wasn't that educational? Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel while you're at it. You know, if you want to learn how to be cool and not fall down so much.